How old are you and your partner? Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this trend right here means how old are you and your partner. So let's show you how to do it. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours and you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And here, as you can see, I only have viral stickers. So you can check these two if you want. So there we have it. How old are you and your partner? From here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with you and your partner. So I will go with this photo right here. You can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can place your sticker too. And from here you have to go to text and type in your partner's age. Choose a color or a style, and then click again on the text and type in your age. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. Click on the your story button from the left bottom corner and your story will be shared. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.